9-year of experience, over 50,000 golf cart fixed. I'm gonna show you how to test. If you notice on your gas cart you don't have the power you used to, or you can't go up a hill, you don't have the power to climb it no more, I'm gonna show you how to test your driven clutch, all right? This is your drive clutch. This is your driven clutch. The first thing you do is take the belt off. And what you want to do is pop it in neutral. And then you want to roll the belt off to the side. Let's go with it. All right. So the belt's off there. What you want to do, Jerry, put your hand on that side. Put my hand on that side and pull yours towards you. Let go. All right, do it again. Now watch what we're doing. I'm pushing toward the back. He pulls to the front. Let go. Hey, do it again. You see it pop back. All right. And what that means is your driven clutch is good. If the driven clutch had no power, like no spring back, it just stayed there, then you know inside your driven clutch, your ramp buttons are bad, and it will cause you to start off in 3rd gear or 4th gear instead of regular. Now we're gonna slide the belt back on. So that's how you test your driven clutch. Now this is on a Robbins engine. On the new EZGO clutches, the newer ones with the Kawasaki engine, there is no spring to make it draw back. All right, you seen it there, man. That's how you test your driven clutch if you notice a loss of power. Hey, hey, hey.